Investment banking operations. Sounds intense, right? But with the right roadmap, it's absolutely achievable. In today's video, I'll guide you through 5 simple steps to kickstart your career in this field. Did you know that over 50,000 professionals in India have launched successful careers in investment banking operations through Imarticus Learning's Certified Investment Banking Operations Professional course, CIBOP? They have even been placed among some of the top MNCs. If you're ready to explore this exciting world, let's dive in. Understand the field. Investment banking operations are the backbone of the financial system. These teams ensure that deals, securities, and wealth portfolios are executed seamlessly. Let's look at an Indian example. When Reliance Jio sold a 10% stake to Facebook, investment banking operations ensured every step from valuations to regulatory compliance was flawless. Understanding this role is your first step towards success. Get the right education. The right education is critical, while a finance degree is helpful. Hands-on learning matters even more. Programs like the Certified Investment Banking Operations Professional, CIBOP, by Imarticus Learning go beyond theory. They focus on real-world applications from securities operations to risk management. You can even choose between weekday or weekend classes, perfect for students and working professionals alike. Build your skills. Now it's time to build skills. Learn financial modeling, risk management, and anti-money laundering. These aren't just buzzwords, they are essential for investment banking operations. For instance, India has seen a rise in fintech companies like Zerodha, and investment banking operations teams are crucial in ensuring their regulatory and risk frameworks are rock solid. Staying skilled in these areas will set you apart in the job market. Gain industry insights. Keep your finger on the pulse of the industry. Follow news about major deals, regulatory updates, and market trends. Here's another Indian example. When Flipkart was acquired by Walmart, investment banking operations played a critical role in handling compliance and capital flows. Studying such deals will give you practical insights to excel in your role. Land your dream job. Finally, prepare your interviews with a mix of technical and behavioral skills. Employers in India often ask candidates about local deals, like the Tata Jaguar acquisition or the rise of renewable energy investments in India. Highlight certifications or practical experience, like those offered in the CIBOP course, to showcase that you are job ready and serious about your career. Confidence and preparation are your best allies. 5 steps, that's all it takes to start your journey in investment banking operations. Whether you are fresh out of college or considering a career shift, this roadmap will set you on the right track. If you're looking for a program to guide you, Imarticus Learning Certified Investment Banking Operations Professional CIBOP course has been shaping careers for over a decade. With over 50,000 success stories, 16 centers across India, and 85% placement record, it's a proven path to a successful career. Plus, with a faculty who have an average of 15 plus years in the industry, you will learn from the best. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more career tips. Your future in investment banking operations start now.